Good morning, everyone. What I'm going to go over today is using Mprotect, which is in every program to bypass data execution prevention or NX. So what we're going to do, we're just going to go over the proof of concept today. In a couple days' time, I'll put out a video about the ROP chain I would put together to get it to go when it's dynamically loaded. So what we're going to do is just do a basic have a look at Mprotect today in our GDB. So let's jump right into it and open this up and let's get our, here we go. So let's do GDB. I have a vuln function here set up, a vuln program, sorry. So what I'm going to do first, I'm just going to set a breakpoint at the main function just so I can get things loaded and then I can look at Mprotect. So breakpoint set at main, I'm going to run it. And here we go. So I'm using Jeff today, and Jeff is so much better than PETA. I hated PETA so bad. Um, so let's disassemble Mprotect function. And what we're going to do is we're going to set a breakpoint at the top of this function, just so we can control the execution of what happens here. I'm also going to set my EIP to that same address. So we come right to the function. And now I'll just hit next instruction. Okay, so as you can see right here, here's our what's happening in the program. Here's our EIP. We're at the beginning of Mprotect. So the thing is, let me haul up another terminal. Let's do a man2 of Mprotect. And as you can see, for Mprotect, we need a void address. So this void address, this address here is going to be the page boundary. And for us, the page boundary is going to be our base pointer, or the base address of the stack. Okay. Next in the function, we need the length. We're going to put in the maximum length without null bytes, which is 01010101 hex. Perfect. So that's all we need for that. This prot is a little confusing, and the Linux manual is a bit hard to understand. But what it breaks down to is we get read, write, and execute are 4, 2, and 1 in decimal. And here B001, B010, B100, when you add them together, is B111. And this all comes to 7. So if you want everything to be read, write, and execute, you have to put 7 in as this argument right here. So what we're going to do, this is my proof of concept. We can't just jump into GDB while we're running the program and change this. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to put together return-oriented programming chains, some gadgets, in the next couple days, and I'll write the actual exploit. But this is the proof of concept of how to do it. So what we're going to do, we're going to just hit next instruction. And I'm going to bring us right down to the call here. So next instruction, next instruction, next instruction, and right before the call. So the call is going to be next. So if I put in my VM map here, you can see the stack is only readable and writable because data execution prevention is turned on. So we can't put any code on this and execute it right now. So I've showed you ways to get around DEP before. This is a different way, and it's pretty cool. It's pretty fun. So what we're going to do, we're going to put in our own values into this, and I'll show you how we can make this stack executable again. So the first thing we're going to do is set the EBX to the base address of the pointer. That was our first argument. So here's our base address for the stack. Next, we're going to set the ECX to the largest number we can without null bytes, which is like two zeros together. So 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. That's the biggest, so that's the size of the allocation from the base pointer up. So this is going to be the biggest area we can, so we can put our shellcode on it. Next, we're going to set the EDX, and that's going to be 7, like I showed you with the bitwise OR. So we add 4, 2, and 1 together, and we get 7. So what we're going to do, we have all these set right now. So I'll just show you again. As you can see, the stack is only readable and writable. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start stepping through this right here so we can see that it's already been called. So we go over to VM map and look, now our stack is readable, writable, and executable. Fuck yeah. So now I can't open this program up during runtime with GDB, but I can jump in and put some um, uh, gadgets together and make this happen as an exploit. So this is a way you can bypass data execution prevention using Mprotect. And I will jump more into the next couple days. I'm super busy on vacation, but the next couple days I'll put together some really good videos on some ROP exploits. So I hope you enjoyed, and this is all I have for today, and I'll see you guys really soon.